Got an EAS, guys.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 568,
What?
effective until 9 p.m. or 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Ford, Iroquois, Livingston, McLean, and Vermilion, and the following counties in Indiana: Benton, Jasper, and Newton. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large and damaging winds and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to know weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Severe thunderstorm watch.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect.
Oh, this is my first watch. Oh, well, not my first watch, but my first severe thunderstorm watch. Oh, I gotta see the message. Oh, wait, no. No, what am I freaking doing? Weather.gov. I've got to see the message. I've totally got to see the message. Holy sh! Oh my gosh, guys. So this is a... It's like... There we go. Oh yeah. Look at the map. Pontiac. Severe thunderstorm watch outline update for weather watch. Alright, guys. Record more alerts.